Hey guys, Luke here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cobra weave paracord bracelet with a buckle. To start, this is only my second time doing this with a buckle. My first one is this bracelet, so I might be a little slow. So you want to feed the paracord through here. Easier if your end's not burnt like mine is. Okay. That through there. And the same thing with the other one. So now that you have that, you need to Okay, now that you have that, you take this end and you bring it through here. And I have about 10 foot of rope right here. That's about what I need for my wrist. And that gives me some left over to work with. Just work this, be patient with it until you get to the end and it's tight. Okay, so now you need to take your ends again right here and take them from the front side, the top, and feed them towards where your wrist will be. Like that. All messed up there. It's easier if the openings on your clips are bigger, but the ones that I have are not that big. Okay, so now that you got your ends through both sides of the clip, you want to put it around your wrist and tighten it down until you get to the length that you want it. How tight you want it around your wrist. Unclip it. Take it off. Get my ends situated. There. And now you can start doing your cobra knot. So to do that, I like to start with my my left side. Make a loop. Oh, I'm not in frame. Sorry. You make a loop. You take this one in the front to around the back and through. Go all the way through and pull it tight. So your first one isn't always going to look the nicest. And then you take your right side and you do the same thing. So you make your loop. Take your left cord now, in front, take it behind it, and through. Tighten that down. There. So I'll show this a few more times. And how I like to remember is, you see right here, this loop right here, that's the one you always make this with, because if you lose your place, you have to go do something, you drop it, whatever happens, you know which side to start on. Like that. You make your loop, you go from the front, right behind it, and out through your loop. Just like that. Okay. So I'll just finish this up and see what it looks like at the end. one, maybe? Might have to do another one after this. Oh, I did it wrong. That's what happens when you make the loop on the same side as you did last time. I like to have a little bit of room on the end like that, like I do on this one right here, but you can make it all the way to the end if you want. Right there. Okay. Put it on my wrist, see if it fits. If I can get this buckle even around my wrist. It's kind of hard sometimes. There. Okay. Now you want to cut your ends as close as you can get them. You don't want to cut it so close that it feeds back through after you cut it. Okay. You cut your other side. Are you in here? Drill. Okay, get out. Okay, now you want to burn them. Be careful doing this. You can burn yourself. I have done it before. Does not feel good. In theory, you want to cut them closer. I just wasn't able to. Because now you have to burn it a lot more and it ends up not looking as good. Okay. That one. Like that. And there you go. You have your finished bracelet. That is hot. Ow.